Hey family, today we're taking a look at this golf laser rangefinder. Right away I'm already loving this because it's got a nice hard protective carrying case. Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. I love this. This is awesome. Charging cable. Your rangefinder. Cleaning cloth inside there as well. Alright, so that looks nice. Fully adjustable. You charge it via in there. Power button. Press and hold. Bear with me, guys. This is a little difficult to hold it up to my camera lens because you can see here. So bear with me. Okay. You can adjust the settings. Now it's not going to pick up the distance because that's pretty far. And it's really hard to hold it steady while I'm holding our camera. But you guys get an idea of how it works. Again, I do apologize. But yeah, very nice.